in this right now. An Apple Watch. Same design. Basically, same performance. Beautiful display. Interchangeable bands. Everything that you expect from an Apple Watch. Cellular. But cheaper. This is the Apple Watch SE, and it does just exactly that for $279. Let's go, baby. What is going on, guys? My name is Nicky, also known as the Lemon Boy. I just unboxed the brand new Apple Watch Series 6 in red and in blue. If you guys want to check out that unboxing, it's linked up right here. If you're new to the channel and you love all sorts of Apple Watch stuff, consider subscribing, and I make a bunch of Apple Watch content. I got the brand new gold aluminum 44mm Apple Watch SE. Let's do it. I am super hyped to not only unbox this, because unboxing Apple products is literally my dream come true. I mean, I wish I could do this every single day of my life, but actually using the Apple Watch SE and actually letting you guys know if it's actually equally as awesome as just a Series 6 or a Series 5 or a Series 4. Take a look at the packaging. Absolutely beautiful. We get all the brand new Apple Watch band colors. This is very cool. Apple could learn from this and do something fun like this for the iPhone. So here's the packaging of the Apple Watch and of the actual band. As you guys know, it's actually sold separately now. So of course the Apple Watch SE is compatible. Wow, that is a very cool color. That is a very fun color. Look at that. That is a very cool looking color. Very fruity-like. Let's do it. Here is the time. It is time to unbox the Apple Watch SE. This is water resistant up to 50 meters as well, just as the Apple Watch Series 6. Always on display is not here. So what are the sacrifices that you're getting with the Apple Watch SE? First things first, the Apple Watch SE does not have the ECG app. It of course does not measure your blood oxygen. Ooh, that gold looks very good. What's in the packaging? Some paperwork on how you set up the band, on how do you charge it, warranty info, all that sorts of stuff that you never read, but you gotta get it in the packaging. No charger in the box. Apple has decided this year to not include it with the Apple Watch, which is kind of crazy. Makes sense for the environment and that sort of stuff. We're probably not gonna be getting it on the iPhone 12 either. Apple Watch SE. Here we go. Let's check this out. I am super hyped. This is basically like a Series 4. Just for you to get the idea, if you're interested in picking this up. That was not as satisfying as I thought, but here we go. Here is the Apple Watch SE. The actual gold is a little bit rose goldish. If I have to describe this gold color, it would have to be like rose goldish. This is awesome. The best thing about this watch is definitely the price. I mean, the best things about having an Apple Watch: notifications, cellular, Apple Pay, all this sorts of stuff is included with the Apple Watch SE. I will be comparing the Apple Watch Series 6 versus the Apple Watch SE this week, so definitely subscribe if you want to check out this channel. So I mean, look at this. There's a bunch of Apple Watches that you can choose from, a bunch of different sizes that you can choose from. This is the Series 6 in 40mm, in red, in blue. This is the Series 5. This is the SE. There's a bunch of different options that Apple lets you choose from now. So I'm excited to compare all of them. If you guys are interested in picking up an Apple Watch, I can help you guys decide. So before I go, if you want to pick up an Apple Watch band, I totally recommend today's sponsor, which is Vegan Loops. It doesn't want to turn on. Anyways, the Vegan Loop, as I was saying, is a leather Apple Watch band that is 100% animal cruelty free. It actually doesn't come from animals. It's not like those typical fake leather Apple Watch bands that you find on eBay that are like crappy leather. Sometimes those are fine because they look nice, but these ones actually look nice and they actually feel like actual leather, which is my favorite. Not believe when you get it in your hands that you're like, how is this not real leather? That was my first impressions with this band. Links are down below for a discount code, 20% off. Once again, I will be comparing everything, a bunch of content this week. Subscribe if you're new. You're not gonna want. I can't talk. I'm too excited about all this Apple Watch goodness.